Good day everyone. In today's video we are going to attempt to solve a question on geometric sequence. This is not an introductory video to geometric sequence. I expect learners to know what a geometric sequence is. They should know that it's a type of sequence where the ratio of every two successive terms is a constant and that the nth term of a geometric sequence is generally represented as this: Tn a, which is the first term, r, which is the constant ratio, raised to power n minus 1. In the question, we are given the fourth term to be 5 root 2 divided by 4. The fourth term, that's n, is equals to 4. That will be T4 AR. N is 4. That's 4 minus 1. So T4, that's AR raised to power 3. So our T4 is 5 root 2 divided by 4 is equals to AR raised to power 3. So we can take this to be equation 1. Alright, so we're given the sixth term to be 5 root 2 divided by 8. So that will be T6 is equals to AR. Our N is 6 now, minus 1. So this will be T6 equals to AR 5 raised to power 5. So at T6, that is 5 root 2 divided by 8 is equals to AR raised to power 5. So we can take this to be equation 2. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to make A the subject of the formula in equation 1. Then we substitute that into equation 2. So from equation 1, let's make A the subject of the formula. So from equation 1, A raised to power 3 is equals to 5 root 2 divided by 4. So if we are to make A the subject of the formula here, we are going to divide both sides by r raised to power 3. And that is going to give us A raised to power 3 divided by r raised to power 3. Then 5 root 2 divided by 4 divided by r raised to power 3. So this will cancel out. Then we are going to have A is equals to 5 root 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 1 over r raised to power 3. When this division sign changes to multiplication, we are going to reciprocate r raised to power 3. And we now have our A to be 5 root 2 divided by 4 multiplied by r raised to power 3. So we'll take this as equation 3. So we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So wherever we see A, we're going to replace it with 5 root 2 divided by 4 raised to power multiplied by r raised to power 3. So that will lead us to having 5 root 2 over 8. I'm writing equation 2 now. AR raised to power 5. So I want to replace A with what's it called, 5 root 2 over 4 times r raised to power 3. Alright, so my A now will be replaced by 5 root 2 divided by 4 multiplied by r raised to power 3, then multiplied by r raised to power 5. Okay, good. Now 5 root 2 can cancel out. Good. Let's bring that out. So we're going to have 1 over 8 is equals to 1 over 4 r raised to power 3 multiplied by r raised to power 5. Okay, 4 can go to 4 in 4 here 1, 4 in 8 here 2. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 is equals to r raised to power 5 over r raised to power 3. So using the law of indices, they both have a common base, which is r. Then I'll pick the powers, that's 5 and 3. So because of this division sign, then I'll put a negative sign here. Okay, so I'm going to have half is equals to r squared. And to make r the subject of the formula, so I'll find the square root of both sides, and that's going to give me r is equals to square root of half. The next step we're going to take is to substitute r equals to square root of half into equation 1. Here is equation 1. Okay, let's have equation 1 again. A multiplied by r raised to the power 3 is equals to 5 root 2 divided by 4. So wherever we see r, we'll replace it with square root of half. So with that, we'll be able to work out the first term, which is a. Alright, let's go. So our r is square root of half raised to power 3 is equals to 5 root 2 divided by 4. Alright, we can put half here for the sake of clarity. Good. So we're going to have a multiplied by, so square root of half we change to half raised to power half. Let's put a bracket here. Power 3 is still there. Then we can change square root of 2 to 2 raised to power half. And 4, we can change that to index form. That will be 2 raised to power 2. Okay, good. Now, using the law of indices, half is going to multiply 3. Multiply by 3 is equals to. Now, we are going to focus on these two alone. Okay, 2 raised to power half divided by 2 raised to power 2. So 2 raised to power half divided by 2 raised to power 2. Let's undo that separately. Alright, so this is going to give us a multiplied by half. So half multiplied by 3, that will give us 3 all over 2 is equals to 5. Okay, so using the law of indices here, we are going to have, we take the common base, which is 2, and we subtract the powers because of this division sign. So that will be half negative 2. Alright, good. So here now we are going to have a multiplied by 1 over 2 can change to 2 raised to power minus 1 according to the law of indices. So raised to power 3 over 2 is equals to 5. Alright, so what is half negative 2? Half negative 2 is negative 3 all over 2. Okay, good. Now here we are now going to have a multiplied by, so negative 1 multiplied by 3 all over 2, so that's going to give us 2 raised to power negative 3 over 2 is equals to, then we're going to have 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power negative 3 over 2. So negative 3 over 2 we cancel out, then a is equals to 5. That's our final answer. Thank you for watching.